out of all the balls I've tested in the past. This new Chromsoft X, it's by far the best and the longest I've ever hit.
It honestly doesn't even matter what club's in my hand. Chromsoft gives me the most consistency up and down the bag.
The thing I love the most about Chromsoft is the responsiveness. You can hit all the shots that you want with it. It's not one-dimensional, it's multi-dimensional.
अब आप सोच रहे हैं कि क्या ये वाकई में इंडिया है? एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स, वो भी इंडिया में, जहां एक सितारा मुश्किल से दिखे, वहां तारों की चादर, नील गगन सा पानी, ये जरूर सपना होगा। क्या इंडिया के घने जंगलों में स्वीडिश मसाज? ना ना ना, नॉट पॉसिबल। वॉकिंग ऑन द ग्रेट वॉल इंडिया में हो ही नहीं सकता। जी हाँ, ये इंडिया ही है, क्लब महिंद्रा का इंडिया। देश भर में 60 से ज्यादा बेहतरीन रिजॉर्ट्स और 2000 से ज्यादा अनोखे एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ क्लब महिंद्रा, वी कवर इंडिया, यू डिस्कवर इंडिया।
SiteCare Hospitals has a vision to redefine cancer care in our country. It is a patient-centric institution. We have sought to put the patient at the center and redesign every process that a hospital needs around the patient. Our primary focus is on clinical excellence in terms of bringing the very best medical talent from India and around the world into our hospitals. But most importantly, all this has to converge into a benefit and a superior outcome for our patients. While we try to provide the very best clinical care to our patient, the how, in terms of how that care is delivered to our patients, is equally important at SiteCare.
At SiteCare, we're all out to create a model of cancer care which is personalized for every patient. No two cancer patients are the same, and no two cancer treatments can be the same. We have brought in some of the best research protocols and evidence-based medicine into one single network of hospitals. We have a dedicated team of in-house organ side focused specialists who are full-time with us, creating the level of expertise that is necessary to deliver cancer care. All of that we need to put together and finally deliver a calm, tranquil and satisfying experience for every patient. And that is what SiteCare is about.
The 18th hole, we can see the approach coming from the 18th tee off, walking towards that approach shot.
It's the INB swingers and your team, FNB.
FNB and
on the 18th hole.
Yeah, FNB and INB swingers.
Light green shirts, I think those are the FNBs.
Yes, matching the course color, green t-shirts are from the FNB Frontiers and the blue shirts are from the INB swingers.
And on the 9th hole, can we get a split screen?
On the 9th hole, the pink t-shirts are from the Kirloskar team.
Okay.
Taking their approach shot from the fairway. Will they cross the hill? Will they do it?
Oh, what a great shot. What a great shot. Can you zoom out a little bit? Let's have a look at that.
See the position of the ball there.
That's the pitch mark. That's a beautiful shot.
Beautiful. Lovely, Rohan. What do you say about that shot? Wow.
Very good. Love it.
Oh my God, I can say. I will take the...
No, G. Kirloskar, she said.
Pink is G. Kirloskar.
Oh, that's my friend.
Yeah?
Either Sanjeev Nehra.
That is Sanjeev.
Or Ishant Gupta.
That is Sanjeev.
believe is the skinnier one, right?
So Nishant and Gurjar from the team Kirloskar, they've had a, yes. His partner don't need to take the effort at all. Already it's almost there. He can just walk in. Oh my God. Which,
Have to make the part, the other person has to make the shot.
he has to go into the hole if he had to better that shot now.
Yeah, exactly.
So, what an amazing shot the Kirloskar team had. Sanjeev Mehra.
All right, on your screen now, 18th hole.
So he's slowly sitting for a birdie there.
He is sitting on the 9th hole.
Yes. If everything goes right, the plum on his cake, a birdie, a feather in his cap, it will. Oh, one other beautiful shot from the 9th fairway there. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Suraj
Mr.
Sonti.
Suraj Sonti.
All right,
Attacking the green.
on
and
the
it's in
18th,
the border there.
Mr. Ravi Shankar. Oh,
Oh my
he's hit the
God.
light pole. Way to go, Dad.
Wow. Nice admiration for his dad. That is Rohan's dad there, huh? Wow. You could trace it very fast. Rohan is having fun at his father's expense there, huh? Rohan. Yes.
Sanjay Matthias.
The cutlery.
Oh, great shot by Sanjay
great
on the 9th
cutleries.
hole.
FNB is they manufacture cutleries. Yeah, high-end cutleries. Customized. Yeah, Sansera Engineering also there.
So they must be sending it to all these.
So, oh really? Okay. Both action happening on the 9th and 18th green now. Eyes on both the shots there on the screen. So all eyes on the two teams playing on the 9th green and 18th green. Yes.
Visuals from hole number 4. We're seeing it for the first time.
Yes.
Par 3, just after the Kingfisher hut, or one of the huts really, with our moving camera. We're able to get
Yeah, that's the mobile
signal. We're going to keep trying different things and improve our ability and capability for the next edition of KPL. So great to see the 4th hole here.
That is the 4th hole. Action happening on the 4th hole tee box there. Trying to better our relay on live from our team experts here. Mobile camera going around on the course, getting the best shots every way possible. There also.
We need a drone.
By next edition, they'll have all the possible gadgets with us.
Hopefully.
That's the fourth hole drive happening there. Akshay and yeah, Akshay and the Lieutenant Jairam there. Fourth tee box. Fourth green is at 3 par. Yeah, not enough light to capture the moment there.
All right, so back to the 9th and the 18th green. On the right hand side, you have the 18th green. Left hand side, you have your 9th green. FNB Frontiers, Ravi
Mr.
Shankar,
Ravi Shankar,
lining up his putt.
pass on some energy there, Rohan.
It's a right to left. It's a right to left. I think he'll miss it on the left. I'm in no team.
See, the manifestation of the energy is going there. So look at that. He missed it like that only.
Yeah, I'm
Rohan,
good. We have Monty with us.
see, the manifestation of the thoughts went there. You're not sending the positive vibes there.
Please do not show this back to my father. Thank you.
Ravi Shankar, are you listening to your son here? Having fun at your expense.
Some close action on the 9th hole. On the left hand side of your screen. But the immediate part is on the right hand side, 18th hole. FNB Frontiers. This one is missed on the left. This is unfortunate. Oh, he's made it. That's a great part on the 9th hole. Face bumps. Nishant Gurjar. Great recovery, great save. On the 18th, right hand side of your screen. Six, I think, was the indication. Maybe a 5 as well. I'm not sure. Can't lip read very well. Right hand side of your screen. On the 18th hole, groups of RBD Tigers and Anand Royalty. Oh, great shot on the ninth hole. From inside the trees there a little bit. Good recovery. Center green, downhill, left to right putt coming up. It's the all right. Staying with the ninth hole. Fans Art Eagles team. Rajesh Joshi has hit the center of the green. And now we have Prahlad Rao trying to better his partner. It's a good line to the green. Slight draw or a straight shot also should do. Here we go. Prahlad has hit that. It's gone in the bunker on the right hand side. On the ninth hole, the Basant Betons team. It's looking good, looking like it'll land on the green. Great shot. Great shot.
That was a brilliant shot there.
Very much in the puttable range.
That must be Basant Betons approaching the ninth green. Oh, that was a lovely shot. That was a lovely shot. Rajesh Joshi marking his ball. Basant Betons, Venkatesh and his partner having a lovely shot from the approach there on the green. Mr. Rajesh and his partner in the yellow tees for Fans at Eagles there. This row only.
Prahlad Rao on the ninth green, downhill, left to right, just leaves it a bit short of the hole.
Prahlad Rao's putt didn't gather the momentum it needed. Rajesh Joshi, his partner. Waiting to finish the putt there. Meanwhile, Basant Betons lining themselves for an uphill putt there. Basant Betons Venkatesh. That must be Venkatesh aligning himself for a neat uphill putt there for Basant Betons. The team is doing fairly well. Almost. Just fell short, giving a chance to his partner to do it. Focusing on the putt there. Oh no. Crossed the hole, 6 feet away almost.
There's some comments by Arjun Malik on our YouTube page, and he's running away from the commentary box now. All right, off he goes.
There. The course is looking very quiet. The course is looking very quiet. Basant Betons doing the formalities to finish the putt there. Yes.
Golden Eagles and Novak. Nitin Mandana, Atul Khanna, Cyrus Poonawalla, and Kush Jawahar.
On your screen, on the right hand side, a team approaching. Must
See you, buddy.
Good round. And ma'am, keep up the great commentary work.
sit.
Slight change in the commentary box. You guys are graced with my voice yet again.
The son of the commentator should take over, not you.
We have a special guest today, a special guest. Since Sameer is not here today, we have the one and only Rohan Haryani who's come to share his words of wisdom. Just to update you, the man has played a fantastic round today with none other than Dr. Ramanna, a very stable 45 bought in by Rohan. So Rohan, tell us, how was your day today? What did you feel?
Yeah, I think we could have done better, but you know, that's the attitude. I am not happy with my game though, but the team is happy and that's fine, and we're in a good place. Looking for the finals like always. From where we were till where we are now, it's a beautiful comeback, and I have faith in my team. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Cheers.
So when you say you have faith in your team, this is your first year playing KPL. What do you think of the team? What do you think of the captain? How are things going? I hope it's all good.
The captain, I'm really surprised. He's only been playing golf for 1.5 years, and they made him captain, and he's doing a fantastic job. And the team, I like the bonding in our team. Obviously, we have our ups and downs, but you know, we'll get past that. Alternate ball's we're going to go all out, and you know, try our best for the finals.
That sounds great, Rohan. I'm glad you're having a good time. And anyway, coming down, we can see a couple of good teams. I think FNB Frontiers is playing. FNB, and who are they playing with, ma'am? I meant first hole.
FNB on the right side, you will find that.
NB.
It's extremely poor work by Wayne here. He's not done his homework.
Yeah, I mean, when you come in last minute for an exam, that's exactly what happens. FNB coming for a nice approach shot around a clean 150 off the green, 24 inside to the pin. Maybe a little less, playing a little shorter because they're up and down. And we have some action on the 9th hole if we could get that on split screen. Epson and Goyal Haryana punters, two teams that have been. That's Dilip Kumar and Jahangir. Jahangir's got his rangefinder out right now. Got a nice view of the flag. Goyal Haryana has two balls on the green, one with a nice downhill putt for about 6 feet. That's Nitin and Rohit coming up as you see them walking in.
Fighters off the course and on the
Yeah,
course
off
too.
the course and on the course.
They mean business wherever they go.
I swear. You get intimidated sometimes. Now we're waiting for Epson. Nice chip. That looks like it's coming in. Pin high. I take that any day of the week. Beautiful shot. I'm assuming that's a nice 4 on the green. Now let's see if Mr. Tenkariwala can hold it in. Jahangir Tenkariwala.
He's always a good. Oh wow!
What a shot. That's a. Oh! Just a little more right would have done the job. Bad luck, but they're still very, very much in for a par.
Approach shot there.
Beautifully done approach shot, as ma'am said. Now I think, this has been the devil in the deep blue sea. I think I would go for the downhill putt. What would you go for, ma'am? So, ma'am, what would you go for if you were the Goyal Haryana punters? The downhill 4-footer, that's a nice right to left break. Or would you go for that parallel shot we see there? We've seen 3 birdies from that position this morning. What would you say?
I would like to putt over, which is easy for me, not a downhill putt, because you know how the greens are playing today, very fast, no control over them. So I would like to have a flat green, flat surface, which is approachable to the hole. Easy putt, make it easy for yourself.
Also for Meena madam, if one person misses, the other must make it.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter what ball you choose.
That is the team spirit, I feel. Not pulling down the opponent, pulling the team up.
Yeah, I mean, it can't just be so sad all the time, you know what I mean?
Let's wait and watch which ball the team takes now. Hopefully the flat one or the downhill one.
From the looks of it, I think the green caddy is also recommending the downhill putt. Yep. It looks like a very challenging downhill. Yep, they are going for it. I mean, go big or go home. We've seen Shishir Patil make a similar putt, albeit a little closer. Jahangir's partner taking a thorough read of the green, not in screen right now, but he's read that like a textbook. Nitin Jaju on the ball. He's got the line read. Rahul thinks a little too far left. The break is coming. Little more. Oh, what a putt. What a putt. Fist bump celebrations. You think he's just won the PGA Tour Augusta champion just walking through?
Oh. Way to go, Nitin. You know the camera is on you now. Oh, yeah. You are a poser.
That was a beautiful birdie.
Yes. That was for his birdie.
Mr. Mittal will definitely be happy with that. Jahangir just looking on as his partner is ready.
That is Jahangir. No.
Jahangir just observing.
Dilip is taking the line for action there.
Oh, just a little over, but that gives Jahangir the line, and Jahangir is a brilliant putter by any standard. I think he's confident he'll make this. Let's see what he goes for.
It's a do or die there for him.
But it's still a net par even if they miss it, so which is good enough.
Index 1. So.
This is the hardest hole on the course. I mean, the biggest of players have flopped on this.
But here the pin position is quite not in like difficult. It's approachable.
Yeah, but it's also a very challenging pin position, right? Because you're right behind the bunker. It's very tempting to go for it, but if you mess it up, like Jahangir chipped the earlier one. Yeah. Oh, he sunk that in clean. Look at that, calm, composed. He's like, I've seen this. Straight inside. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I will be taking my leave from the commentary box. It's been a pleasure. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Meena ma'am. Absolute pleasure. Great job, guys. Keep up the good work.
Very good job done, dear. So we enjoyed your camaraderie with you on the commentary box here. We'll hope to see you soon, fast here again. That was Jahangir with his tremendous sleek and chic putt there. I can say, oh my God, amazing it was. What more could you ask for on this dicey hole there? We are thrilled to watch that putt. What about him then? Yes, Nitin and him, Jahangir. Yes, Nitin and Jahangir's putt was amazing in this 9th green. These guys are awesome. The paragon of confidence shown, the paragon of confidence on the putting green here. What a thrill to watch those putts falling in there. For all online viewers, hope you're enjoying it. Any comments? Any recommendations? Any opinions? You can share it on our live chat. We will try to update you all and correct ourselves and give you the latest updates online. Your comments are most welcome. RBD Tigers on the first tee off, getting geared to do some action there. There was a clean shot there.
What team is this?
RBD Tigers. RBD Tigers on the first tee. The weather is cooling down a bit in KGA here. The weather is unpredictable today. Prickly heat, and now at least slightly it's settling down for the second half. Is holding is heads nicely cool and is hold up very nicely for the golfers. Turned out to be a cool evening.
All right, coming down on the 18th fairway, you can see on your screen is the Golden Eagles and Timo Baku hitting their second shot. Let's see how this goes. Golden Eagles on the ball. And now on your left hand side of the screen, we have Kush hitting his second shot into the green. There we go. Kush has given us a shot to track from here in the comp box, and it's right in the center of the green. Just come out to the left of it and stop short of the bunker, but it's still a great shot from there. And very much a parable hole and a net birdie coming up. All right, 18th hole, 18th green. We have Golden Eagles, Mr. Atul Khanna. Mandy, Nitin Mandana has hit his shot. I think Atul is using a putter. We've seen many people use a putter from that distance, but they have left themselves short 9 out of the 10 times. So let's see where Atul goes. Bit of a bounce, rolling. It's got to make it up that slope, and it does not. Leaves himself a bit short as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen who have joined us online, picture in picture, we have green number 8 in our screens there. This is a visual from behind the green. You can see the water in the front, so if you don't reach the green, you will reach the water. And let's wait for a few groups to come through. And on the 18th, we have Kush lining up his chip. He had a great second shot to be where he is. So chipping for 3. Kush just putting his marker down. And his caddy showing him where to drop the ball.
Kush Jawahar. That was his second shot. Edge of the green. Great chance for a par. Chip birdie, yeah. If everything goes right, it's a birdie. What an amazing shot, second shot that was. He's chipped it right into the hole there. Oh, just missed it. Anyway, a good try. It was a good try from Jawahar. A nice chip and roll from him. Confident chip and roll. Very crisp shot there. Mr. Cyrus for Team Obako. One second, we have a great fan of Mr. Cyrus, Mr. Kiran here. You want to say a word?
Cyrus is obviously the foundation, literally like the foundation of a Baku team, and he's super enthusiastic, fun, and you know his style of play is really commendable. The way he plays, just simple method of, you never know he'll putt it. Oh, bad luck. Yeah, so his simplicity of the game makes it very lovely to watch, and we all have a great time at Obaku because of him being a foundation, you know.
Cyrus makes it everything fun and frolic here. It doesn't seem to take an effort at all. So he follows the easy does it rhythm to the core and makes everything look so easy on the course. Yes. Yeah, why do you have to force it? What the hell are you playing for? So it just makes it so simple, and that's it.
Oh, apologies for that. We were watching a
yes.
delayed telecast and commenting on that. The actual telecast is here. So Cyrus must have already putted, and then we must have commented on it.
We are having a fun time also.
So Atul Khanna seems
yes,
to have made his putt. And
yes.
Now it's over to Mandy.
Anyway, delayed telecast on TV. Once in a while, let us watch.
All right, Nitin Mandana under
Just
pressure
1 minute,
needs to make this
difference
putt.
of 1 minute, I think so.
His partner is relatively safe, so Mandy would want to go for this one.
We've learned it the hard way.
Yes.
Sorry, quickly coming back to Mandy before we jump to the 8th green. Nitin Mandana. It's a uphill, right to left.
Yes. Focusing himself for that putt.
It's got to
Uphill
hit it.
putt
It's got to
and
hit it.
Yes, yes.
It's got to hit it. All right, let's jump to
No.
the 8th green.
He
I think
didn't
we have
catch the
visuals
speed
from
there.
the 8th green. Pin position on the 8th green today is right in the center of the green. In terms of
This
the
is the-
distance, white flag and
What is-
5 from the left.
Yes.
If
This
we
is
can
the
get
action coming
somebody
from the
there to
moving
zoom in
camera
a
on
little bit.
the fourth green there.
No zooming. I think it's an FNB team.
Looks like it. FNB.
Back on the 18th with Cyrus
He can
Makes
do
it.
it.
casually walking away.
Yes. There the celebration. Kush and Mr. Cyrus there. Beautiful par.
Mandy trying to finish the hole.
Yes. Mandy finished it. That was for a bogey.
On the ball, G. Kirloskar team. Sujit Somsundar has hit that. Has he reached the green is the question. He has not. Right hand side of your screen. Kush Chavahar on hole number 1. Just standing at the lip of the bunker. Walking quickly behind his ball. Good shot. Very good shot by Kush. All right, we're trying to get a split screen view of hole number 9 and hole number 18. On the right hand side, Team FNB in their light green shirts approaching the 9th hole. And on your left hand side, hole number 18. Rahul Balla is on the ball. There we go. The left of the green. He'll have to hit a high lob shot. Make it stop relatively quickly. Balla looking like a good shot.
Oh, lovely
What a
shot.
great shot.
What a lovely shot.
Oh.
Great shot from there.
That shot is worth some applause, but no one is here to give it to him. Maybe he can give it himself. pure also. Yeah. This morning you can have that. That's no pressure.
Approaching the 18th green, Team Kirloskar and August Johns.
August Johns hitting a shot.
August Johns taking the approach shot there. From the rough.
It's gone a little over the green, but I think
Over
Rahul
the
Balla is
green.
in a good position.
But yes, Rahul Balla is in a good position. And for Kirloskar team, Sujit Somsundar and Marathu Kalam.
Alright, split screen on your right hand side. Team FNB hitting what I would presume is their third shot. Again, very approachable flag. Oh, he's not very happy with it. Basis his reaction. Let's
From-
see where that ends up.
Yes, from Team FNB, it's Vikram Ora and Deepak Krishna Kutti.
I think the first shot was by Vikram Vora and now his partner. And on the left hand side, G. Kirloskar with the slightly uphill, right to left. Oh, looks like a good putt.
Marathu Kala on the strike
Doesn't have the
there.
legs. And on the ninth hole,
Shoots.
FNB, right in the middle of the green. I think they will take
Oh,
that.
that was a good shot there from FNB. INB swingers walking towards the ninth green. FNB.
Next year. No, I played last year. This year I chose not to play.
Too much of a commitment.
Yeah, I was the reason work this year. So I didn't play regular golf also for 6 months.
What do you do?
There's a product called Salesforce. It's like a CRM of sorts. So we are implementation partners in India. So we have multiple projects going on at the same time. So
Hey buddy, can you just focus on the first green?
yeah.
Hey, how are you?
You can remove the 18.
On the 18th. Yeah.
The birdie putt, right?
Yeah. What a putt from Kush there.
No fist pumps. There it comes.
There it comes. Come on.
Very relaxed.
A relaxed pairing. I mean, if anyone was logged on half an hour ago, that's the difference between Nitin Jaju and Kush as the extremes.
The extremes of, yes.
Yeah, extremes of fist pumps and celebrations.
You get to see, here with Cyrus, everything goes in slow motion. In its own pace. It takes its time. That's how golf should be, yes. That is the golf temperament, I can say. No rush of blood there.
Rahul Balla on the 18th, lining up for
On the 18th.
It's coming. If we can get it on the screen. Oh, there it is. We have 3. There it is. Rahul Bala on the bottom of your screen.
Yes.
Makes a clean stroke. Misses it. High. Rahul, you need to hit the putting green. Range. Please call me if you need any coaching or support. Thank you, Rahul.
You'll have to use your headphones while you meet him. So that you don't hear anything he says.
Rahul is having fun at your expense again.
Good putt, Mandy.
That's a good one. On the 9th green, FNB and INB swingers. Vikram and Deepak.
And top left corner, on the rightmost of that picture, in the light blue shirt, Ayappa Vemulkar. Known for his extremely long hitting.
Yes, Ayappa and
shots.
Sanjay for INB swingers.
Rahul Bala missed that putt, but his partner seems to have made it. Big smiles on Rahul Bala's face. Maybe his partner can give him some coaching.
He'll see you backstage now.
He's oogling us all the time. Might as well
He's always on stage.
FNB.
Yes.
Really happy with that putt. Long putt. Vikram Vora giving a high five to his partner.
Well done, Vikram. There goes the putt.
Can you see where friends are? That's what Akshay. That is the second goal. Akshay and Jairam, I think they would have finished the 8th hole. 8th hole there was some action. They came back.
All right, ninth green, top left corner of your screen. Ayappa Vemulkar. Downhill putt, left to right. Turning a little bit, but I think distance control and speed control is
Yes.
crucial.
He seems to be very steady. Yes.
Ayappa strikes his putt.
Strikes
He's
the putt
looking
and
good.
almost in
Looking
there.
good.
Yes.
In the hole.
Oh, look at the dance going on there. Well done, Ayappa.
Not just a
Sanjay Verma
long hitter,
dancing
but a
there.
strong putter as well.
Applauding his partner's putt.
What a chip. But shitty putt. Rahul Bala just highlighting to us what a bad putter he is. Noted, Rahul. Thank you.
That's the second hole tee off happening there. The weather is cooling down the nerves.
Actually, it's the perfect time to play.
Perfect weather compared to the mid-noon sunlight.
I would have told you 4:30, 3 o'clock like that.
Yeah. That was a peak.
Good putt, Ayappa.
What a putt, Ayappa.
Oh, well done. Yeah, we did. Brilliant. Great.
Ayappa, well done, Ayappa. What a putt it was.
Little action on hole number 18. Fanzat Eagles and Basant Betons making their way to the green. Little action on hole number 18. Panzat Eagles and Basant Betons
Arun
making their way
Bajaj
to the
and
green.
Krishna Prasad from Panzat Eagles.
Ninth, who's the next coming in?
Basant Betons.
Ninth, on the ninth.
Ilavarasan Veerappan. Not Veerappan, sorry. Ilavarasan Veeran and Uday Kumar for Basant Betons.
They come into the ninth.
Basant Betons and IFB Swingers there. Fanzat Eagles coming to the 18th green there. You can't miss Arun Bajaj, yellow t-shirt there. Now this is the INB coming to the... So almost 9 holes over, 9 more holes to go, so most of them. Arun Bajaj is coming to the 18th green now. So this is the 9th, almost 9 holes over for them now. So 9 more holes to go. Hopefully they'll finish. Yeah, a bit going down slow there now. Better keep up the pace of the game, otherwise it will be too late for them to finish by the end of the day.
Great
What
shot
a
on
chip,
the
What a
18th.
chip there.
And picture in picture, Rahul Balla.
From the first tee, Rahul Balla. Rahul.
Oh, he's looking right.
Better be in the center fairway there. Otherwise
Okay.
your friend is not going to leave you alone today.
Oh, center fairway, just short of the green.
Awesome shot, yeah.
Good shot.
There Uday Kumar on the 18th fairway for the approach shot to the 18th green from Basant Betons. Looks good. It didn't, yes. Decent enough. Yes. Very controlled chipping there. Picture in picture, Kirloskar team ready to tee off there. Fanzat Eagles. Oh, what a, oh yes. Took a big swing, but right on the green, crossed the hole. Yes. Almost not an easy putt from there. Yeah.
Anybody's chance or a pumpkin. Like Minaman says, one person should make it.
Yeah, some.
Team captain, whoever does not make it in the second putt, they're in trouble.
There. See, sometimes when you don't anticipate the putt, it will take the roll and fall into the hole. The long putts are not the one which we can go for it.
Let's see if Arun Bajaj can get closer.
Yes, let's watch and see Arun can do better than his partner there. That looks nice and clean there. Okay, it's yes, it is in the fringe edge. Yes. Yes, it's much closer. They might take Arun Bajaj's chip for the putting there. There. It's on the fringe, little closer to the hole. Yes. Yeah. No, because there's a double break from there. It will be a very dicey putt for them. Yes, from there, opposite side.
Anyway, both the teams.
This is from the left side of the green there, from the rough, towards the edge. So, pull a chair, pull a chair. So they're going to take mostly Ajay's chip from the edge.
Arun's.
Oh, sorry, Arun Bajaj. Arun is going to go now. It's almost around a 10 footer there. He striked it well. Oh, he didn't catch. Yes, too hard he hit it. He wanted to go for the hole. Way past the hole now. From the edge of the green. It is a difficult putt. He went for it. Let's see if his partner can nail it in there. Still.
For next 2 weeks.
He is going for it, missed it. At least he's given easy par there. ರಾಹುಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳೋಣವಾ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋವರಿಗೆ KGA ವತಿಯಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹಲೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. He is one of them now. Yes, there the fist bump going on from the Basant Betons.
Good chip, man.
From the 9th fairway, the team is approaching. RBD Tigers
and Anand Royalty.
The evening is much cooler than the noon now. The teams better pace up the play. Otherwise it will be too late. Too late to finish. My favorite person, my true friend, Mr. Uday Kumar from Basant Betons, had a beautiful putt there on the 18th green. Amazingly good putt there. He's, Mr. Uday Kumar, well done putt there for you.
Great shot on the 9th hole there from the RBD Tigers.
For Basant Betons, Mr. Uday Kumar and his partner there. Well done, Fanzart Eagles. What a nice Shot. Looks nice. Where did it land up? It's running towards the edge. Huh? Yes.
But his partner is on the center of the
Yes. So no harm done. His partner is safe and sound on the center of the green. Very cozily sitting there.
Three-way split screen, Mr. Vikram Vora on tee number 10 with an iron in his hand.
From FNB Warriors. Oh, dog is also giving support there.
They'll get the highest views. Ask the camera guys to move. A lot of these dogs will play around in the back. Yeah. Especially in the third one. Around that.
The weather is turning very pleasant. They're posing for the picture here. Fanzat and Basant Betons, their 4-ball picture on the first tee. Smile, guys. On the 9th hole, we can see some all eyes on the 9th hole now.
Bit of a setback for Anand Royalty. I think they both went in the water because they're taking a drop for the water.
It's a penalty. Is it a
It's a penalty,
shot?
yes, but they could have probably taken the other person's ball, but even that person's ball must be in the water. That's why they must be.
So both of them have gone into water, I suppose. That is where the mental strength in golf matters a lot. When one partner is in hazard or something, the other tends to force the shot, and then another penalty is on the way there. We've experienced a lot of these shots when we're playing.
All
So
right.
they have taken a penalty shot there and trying to come to the green.
Pawan on the ball, great player. Good aggressive player. Very solid game. He'll be hoping to get it as close to the hole so that a putt is given to make up for the ball that has gone in the water.
Oh, that's a nice chip there from there, almost.
That's a
towards
great
the-
chip.
yes.
That's a great chip by Pawan. I think he'll be quite happy with that. Very much in the
Yes.
puttable range.
An easy return putt for him there. An easy bogey for him, hopefully. Yes. Oh yeah.
Or 3 in the water. 4 penalty, 5 there. Could be either or.
Yeah, could be a par, or if it's a second shot, yes. If it's second shot in the water, then it's a par putt. Yes. Otherwise, an easy bogey.
Possible. A long driver.
Yeah, his second shot must be in the water. His partner chipping from the edge there, taking a penalty also. Even that's looking neat and clean. Yes. But they'll take Pawan's ball there.
Also some action on the 18th hole. We have squadron leader Sani Ahuja from Epson and the Gorial Haryana punters team as well.
Yeah. Sunita and Sunny Ahuja from
So Sunny looking like he's happy, maybe 2 there. Play with Sunny a lot, so he'll be eyeing this putt. He'll be wanting to make it 100%. Slight left to right.
I've seen most of them coming to the same position there for chip and putt on the 18th green from the edge.
Is this the second shot or the third?
Yeah.
Actually, it could be their third shot as well. We don't know from the commentary box. We can only guess in an educated manner, but I think you're right. I think we should consider this maybe 3 there. Knowing Sunny's distance, he may or may not have been able to make it 2 here. It is a difficult one, yeah.
Unless it's a very fantastic tee shot and the second.
Still,
Sunny is
Not a long hitter? Yes.
And I'm not sure about
like Sriram will make it easily, but
Sunita as well. I'm not sure.
No,
The long hitter.
that'll be 3.
possibly it must be 3. We'll come to know in a bit.
It could be her. I'm not seeing her.
No, from the ladies' tee box, if she has a good drive, the possibility of a second shot is there.
She has to cross the bunker.
No, because if she has taken the first shot, Sunny can have taken the second shot. Its possibility is there. Possibility is there. That's the advantage of having a red tee box drive.
Alright, we have a split screen here. On your right hand side, hole number 18. And on your left hand side, hole number 9. Hole number 18, right hand side. Uphill putt, right to left break. Missed it completely from the left.
Okay, didn't take the break it needed. It just rolled down.
All right, hole number 9 on your left hand side, downhill, left to right putt. Good, clean stroke. Whoa, nope, nope.
It,
All right, let's see on the 18th hole if the partner has observed. The line is definitely a right to left. Must start it right of the hole to stand a chance. There we go, that's looking good. Will it break enough though?
oh, not enough.
Not enough.
Not enough. But easy makeable putt, return putt there.
All right, quickly on his ball. Squadron leader Sunny Ahuja. As the camera zooms out just a little bit, there we go. Ball is obscured by the bag that is there, but we can see him from the comm box. Lining up, just doing his practice swings, addressing the ball now. A little bit of a jab in Sunny's putting style, left to right. Does he have it?
Oh,
Just left it a little. He's
bad luck there. Bad luck there.
knows an opportunity missed there by Sunny.
But that was a good attempt. Very nice attempt. On the 9th hole, left hand side of the screen there. Oh. She also overbound. Sunita De Costa there. Pawan also missed by a whisker. On the 9th hole there. 9th green putting.
Pavan hoping his partner can try to sink that. Need to start it on line. That's the key here.
No.
And he does.
Oh, yes.
Just about rolls in.
My
Big
goodness.
hugs from
Oh,
after
my
being in the
goodness.
water.
Oh my God, the amount of pressure on him, I could see it. In the last minute, it took the edge of the hole. Nah? Just, it just rolled in there. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. I am 80%.
Only 80%.
80%. 80% is going to. The greens are unpredictable today. So at least we have 80% chance that he's going to go close to the pin and try to get the par there. Yes.
Oh, didn't hit it, madam.
You think that's enough?
Oh.
So he chose the wrong line, no?
It turned towards the left, caught the slope.
So he didn't judge it correctly, or he was okay?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad at all. Anyway, he has his partner there, safe and sound, for the backup.
So whose putt will they choose? His or the partner's?
Guessing on the line, which is closer, there's Rome.
Choosing his.
No, they're checking. Yes,
You think he'll make this putt or not?
it's almost a 6-footer there.
Is it as tall as him or?
It is as tall as him. How do you know he's 6-footer, Mr. Prithvi?
Maybe an 8-footer.
You're
Maybe an
putting words
8-footer.
in my mouth now. He's taken his putt for there. Mr. Prakash, checking the line for his putt there.
Oh, on the left-hand
There.
side there, I think that's hole number 14.
Yeah, we're having a view at the fans at Eagles there.
Yes.
Fans at Eagles.
But the most important part is on the right-hand side. That's Mr.
Yes, the
Prakash.
most thing happening on the right hand side. Prakash is putting there, taking the line. Will he make it? Will he not? Wait and watch.
Madam, predictions.
Guys, what do you think online who are watching? Will he make it or no? Oh, just missed it. So close,
Yet so far.
yet so far. Some more work to be done.
You should have gone and putted.
Some more work to be done. Let us see his partner. Will he go for it?
Left-hand side,
Left
hole
hand,
14. I
yes,
think that's
14.
Prahlad Rao with his partner watching along.
Mr. Rajesh Joshi and Prahlad Rao from Fans at Eagles.
I think that's left to right. Right to left.
Yes.
Does it have the legs?
Yes.
Does
yes.
it have the
Does
legs?
it have it? Yes. Missed it.
Why are you sounding so happy that he missed it?
I'm praying for them to get it done. Mr. Mayur not on the right hand side. He's trying to amend the putt. Amend the putt. What Prakash missed it. He also missed it from the right there. Same side. Bad luck, guys.
Did they pick up, is it? Did he pick up? Did they pick up the ball here? No, in this.
They finished out. They hold out.
Yeah?
I didn't watch this. I watched that one.
This was on 6-inch.
Someone is watching.
Definitely. Karan Malik will be watching. did a good commentary.
You've not answered my question, Mr. Malik. In a single match play open, why do I not win a motorbike?
That's the captain now.
Nothing to do with me. You ask all the tournament committee who did all the fiddling.
Only for
I
doubles
think
and
probably
handicaps
he's
they're giving motorbike.
taking it for himself. Possible.
It's past is past, Mr. Rohan. Let go of the things buried long along.
No, why? We'll bury him also. Karan Malik with it also.
There. Yes. Mr. Gonal.
Oh, they're putting now.
They're doing the formalities there.
You should get.
I should.
Yeah, singles you should get.
Should.
Technically, yes.
That's the most important.
Yes, Prakash is doing the formalities
Exactly.
Yeah.
and finishing the hole there. Frowning there for not getting his par.
Now we
You
will
have
not
to go to captain for approval. We will come to tournament committee.
old tournament
You have to
committee.
go to captain. Okay, let's go to the ninth hole. It's been a while
The
since
ninth
we've seen
fairway, we
action
have
on
a
the
team
ninth
approaching.
hole.
I think it's Team Obaku.
Yes, and where is our friend?
Okay, I think it's,
He has left.
you can say Lieutenant General J. Jairam is
Lieutenant General J. Jairam
Yes.
on the ball.
on the ball.
Mr. Prithvi is in the comment box with us. He's very got keen eyes. Without his specs, is recognizing the player there coming from the ninth fairway.
Oh, it's a low fade. Made it through
Yes,
the
went to
swale in the bunker. I think he'll take that. Also, this must be their third shot. Now it's up to Akshay Gopal, who's walking away from the spot unless he's already hit. Yeah, it looks like he's already hit it. All right, the team they're playing with is Golden Eagles, Anil Sama and Dr. Mahesh Reddy. Center fairway, shot number 3. Center green would be their focus.
Probably Anil Sama will do it. And Dr. Mahesh Reddy will hit it out here.
Who both are big hitters. Mr. Reddy and Sama.
Hole 9 on the right hand side of your screen. The Golden Eagles. Oh, we can look at that. Looking very good. Does it have the legs? Come on, get up. Just short of the green.
Just
But I
short
think
of the
they'll take
green
that. It's an uphill putt.
Water bottle. I mean, coffee. The madam gets a coffee. Get some.
All right, Golden Eagles. They have another chance. Hole number 1. INB swingers. Teeing off from the first hole. Mr. Gonal Bimappa. Just loosening his body there.
That's from this team, I think. From Team Obako, discussion happening there.
Oh, he's outside.
Yes.
What a mistake.
Out in the
Alright, coming live action from hole number 9. Akshay Gopal. Safe to say he could be 3 there. Hitting his 4th shot. Would be hoping to be as close to the hole as possible to make use of the stroke that is available to every pairing today.
They will be rooting for a par there if they have a good chip. Yes, it looks good. It's coming yes. Wrong line. Center of the green there.
And too strong.
Leaving open for a downhill putt.
So what do you think General Jairam is going to do?
General Jairam has to attack the pin from there now because his teammate is safe and sound on the green. He better go closer to the. General Jairam is going to go closer to the pin now because his partner is safe and sound on the green.
This one he has to attack.
He has to attack, yes.
What is your attack?
Pin. Take you. Mr. Jairam, looking good. Did he take the turn there?
Where was the turn?
No, he didn't catch the turn on the slope. No. So, but much closer to the pin. Both of them had a lovely chip with rhythm and speed.
I think your husband hit OB. They're doing that.
Standing on the ball now, Golden Eagles. Dr. Mahesh Reddy. Mr. Anil Sama.
Mr. Anil Sama. Mr. Mahesh Reddy is watching there. His partner putting. Will it catch the speed there? Going near the hole. Cross the hole there.
Which team is this?
The greens.
Golden Eagles is putting.
Yeah, now the Golden Eagles. Mr. Mahesh Reddy. Picking up speed there. Did he do it? No. It just stopped near the hole. Huh?
Left hand side, we have hole number 14, pin position 23 from the front and right in the center. Blue flag. If you're approaching that green, you hit it to the right or hit it to the left, it should all filter back to the center of the green. I think we have the RDB Tigers and Team Epson. Oh, Nitin Jaju on the left hand side of your screen. Timo Baku to putt first.
Yeah, Timo Baku. Lining themselves for this downhill putt there.
That's a downhill, left to right. Delicate touch is required.
Good roll, but not a baby tap is needed there. Just cross the hole.
Just missing it on the
Tapping
right.
himself and punishing himself for that. It needs a smooth roll down the hill there. It's a down slope. It's left to right, slight left to right from there.
Akshay Gopal on the ball. And on your left hand side, Nitin Jaju.
It should go clean as a whistle there to catch the hole.
Oh, the RBD Tigers missing it from the left on the 14th, while Akshay is lining up his putt on the 9th.
On second thoughts, is lining himself again. Too strong for the downhill putt there. Dr. Mahesh is finishing the formalities by tapping it in now. That will be for a bogey, I think. Yes.
See, double bogey.
Yeah. Baku putting in for bogey there. The Golden Eagles had a lovely putt, finished the hole in style there.
You know which team is coming now?
Kirloskar in the pink t-shirts. The pink t-shirts are from the Kirloskar team.
Which team are you in?
team. 9th hole.
9th green approaching. We can see the pink t-shirts from the Kirloskar.
Yes. G. Kirloskar and Team August John.
Yes. August Johns from the woods there. They are in the rough. Not a very comfortable shot from there. Will they go for the green? From anywhere I would love to go, but is it possible to go from there? I think one can try and one can be safe. That's called bonding in partnership. Partnership in progress, as far as Prithvi is mentioning with us here, giving expert comments for us. Partnership in progress, nice, yes.
Plan tomorrow.
From the August Johns, that's for asking for trouble from the woods. Can they approach the green from there, Rohan?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, clean swing there. From there, he got it. Oh, the crackling sound said it all. The crackling sound from the woods. Yes, of course. And reached the green. Wonderful shot from the woods. What a recovery shot. August Johns. From Team August John, what a recovery shot. A round of applause for that shot there. So nothing left for his partner to do. You can just walk out from there. The better chance is there, but anyways, nothing to beat this shot from the woods. Beautifully done. But his partner is taking the shot for the photo finish. Oh no, that one was dangerous. Into the hazard.
Are you sure?
Of course.
It's a swing.
It's a anyway, he tried for it, but into the hazard there. But nothing to lose from it. His partner is safe and sound in the center of the green here. On the 9th green.
On the 19th?
9th green, sir.
You said 19th.
Now Kingfisher, Kirloskar team. Yes, that's a beauty there. Yes. Caught the downslope. The ball caught the downslope and running towards the edge there, but
Did they save the boundary or not?
On the 18th green and approach, we have the Anand Royalties with Torun Matthias. I love pronouncing his name.
I still don't get his. And
Suman. Sumo.
Yes.
Torun
Sorry,
going
boy.
first. It's Torun.
Torun. Okay,
Torun.
sorry boys. Still we have to practice pronouncing your name perfectly. Next time.
Torun is chipping from outside your camera view. And they are playing alongside RBD Tigers. Here we go. You can see Torun here.
Oh, thick rough there.
Should be their third shot. So, important shot for them. Torun gives it a bit of a height. And very nice.
Yes, very nicely done there.
That needed a delicate hand, and I think he's done the best he could.
Sumant is trying to better the shot.
Sumo may get confused. He may think that the target is the 10th green, but 18th green is what you need to go for, Sumo. But nothing to lose. I think his partner's in a safe and great position, so he can be a little aggressive.
Yes, he's got that extra confidence to go. Yes, extra power to go for the hole. And oh, he's got big biceps, as Prithvi Radars is telling.
Sumo tried a little bit of a bump and run, but I think they'll go with Torun's shot.
Look at him, don't take that nonsense.
No, she's saying instead of Kirloskar, she's saying Kingfisher. That too, that's why.
Because you spoke about the horses, my mind flew there.
Oh, this is Vikas Gupta and something. I don't know what.
Yes.
Other chap I don't know.
Mr. Vikas Gupta and Bidan Chaudhary for Kirloskars, lining up for their uphill and the downslope putt there. The perfect strength is needed there. Looks good, fantastic strength there, taking the turn and reaching the green, reaching the hole there, almost in there. Wow, what a putt. What a putt. I have to say, I'm most compelled to say here, oh my God, what a putt. From the Kirloskar team, what a beautiful putt that was. The right amount of speed. Exactly what was needed there. The right amount of strength for the putt. He's guiding his partner there. Will Mr. Vikas Gupta will be able to do the putt better than his partner? A bit more than what is needed, I hope. Yes, it crossed the hole.
But why
Took-
are you so excited that he's hit over the hole?
Seeing the speed, I saw him hitting the speed.
Why are you feeling so happy that they hit over?
No. I'm not happy. I'm just excited. Suresh. Mr. Suresh Joyce from the Kirloskar team is watching you. He's watching his teammates' performance there, applauding the putt. from Team Magos Johns, from the 9th green here. Mr. Satya is aligning himself for the putt.
Hole number 18, left hand side of your screen. Anand Royalty. After that, great chip by Torun Matthias. A must make for par.
Misread the greens there, took the downslope and left it.
Oh, he missed?
Yes.
He said he was going to get it. Oh, I thought you were looking at the 18.
Always hope for the best.
Oh, Torun just leaving a little short. Sumo's turn to give it a go. Sumo's got the strength. Sumo's got the strength.
You can see actions happening on both the greens now, 18th and 9th. Mr. Kirloskar team. Yes, he's done it. Mr. Chowdhury from the Kirloskar team finished it.
Oh, Sumo.
And Sumo missed it again. Yes. His partner had missed it. He missed it too. So, anyway, they finished the formalities. They better pace up and keep up the pace for the game because it's getting to get dark soon now.